Hi, in this video I will show you how to create paid Telegram channel or how you can make money on the Telegram. So the process is pretty simple. So first of all you need to open your Telegram mobile application, and on the right bottom you will see a pen icon. Simply tap on it. After that you will see multiple options here. You have to click on the new channel. Once you will click on the new channel, now write a channel name here like tutorial 32, and now click on the tick on the right top. Once you will do it, now you will see two options here. Simply you have to click on the private channel and click on the tick on the right top. Once you will do it, now simply click on this arrow on the right bottom. Once you will tap on it, now your channel is created. Now you have to go back and search for the invite member bot. Once you will search for it, tap on it, and here you have to give the command start. Once you will click on the once you will write and send a message, you will see two options. Simply you will see a add project option. Simply tap on it. It's loading. Now you have to enter your project name like I write tutorial and tick it, and here you will see two options. You have to click on the paid Telegram channel, tap on it, and you will see they send you a video. Now from here you have to click on the done because you have already created a channel. Once you will do it, now you have to go back and open your channel from here and click on the three dot icon. Sorry, you have to tap on profile, and you will see two options, subscriber and the administrators. Tap on the administrators and click on the add admin and search for the invite member board here. Now you will see different options. Untick all this. Just you have to tick this one, and after that you have to click on the tick sign. Now go back and you have to forward some message. Sorry, click on the done from here, and they said to connect the channel, please forward any message from the channel. Open your channel and send a message. Sorry, forward a message like this. Now you have forward a message. Now they send a message. It will ask for the currency in which you accept the payment. Select any currency according to your choice. I select USD. Now you have to select the time in which you want to get a payment. Every day, every 3 days, every week. Select any, and here you have to enter the amount. Let's say I enter the $10 and send a message, and here you will see it will recommend you another bot. Click on the bot further, and you have to copy this to the clipboard. Now go back and you have to paste this token here and send it. Once you will do it, you have to click on the OK but next, and now click on the OK, and now click OK will do. Now here you will see multiple options. Your paid channel is created. Now you have to click on the back projects and click on the tutorial. So this is the procedure. You have to do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.